What began as a hobby developed into a sophisticated high-tech service. The increasing number of drone flights requires new airspace so that drones can be safely integrated. Not an easy task. Every drone flight is influenced by a variety of factors, and each of these factors must be studied and taken into account. The processing of this necessary information presents pilots and companies with a major challenge that is becoming more and more complex each day. In fact, the integration of drones into airspace requires 10 times more data than conventional aviation. To solve this problem, we have developed a unique system that processes and synchronizes hundreds of data sources. A system that converts the latest geodata for unmanned aviation into safe airspace structures. GEOSPHERE, an innovative application that can be integrated into all existing geo-information systems of companies, authorities, and organizations. GEOSPHERE is not just a data set, but a highly sophisticated and modern software service which provides all relevant information for a safe flight, instantly, with just one click. GEOSPHERE, a new era for geodata.